Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 6 that is based on the topic Unit 22, a grammar rhyme. Open your book, go to page number 103, go to page number 103. Have you opened it? Okay. Now take out your pencils. What we are going to do, we will learn grammar in the form of rhyme. Okay. So we will discuss grammar during the reading. Okay. What you have to do, you have to underline different heading of the part of speech. Here different heading of the part of speech will come over here. So what you have to do, you have to underline them. Okay. So take out your pencils. Put your pencil on the first line. A noun is the name of anything. Shall we start it? A noun is the name of anything as school or garden, hoop or swing. Hoop or swing. So what is a noun? Noun is the name of anything. Anything that exists in the world is known as a noun. Okay? Like school, garden, hoop, swing, table, chair, book, copy. Each and everything that exists in the world is known as a noun. So your first part of speech that is being used over here is noun. Okay, noun is the name of anything. Okay, so next, moving to the next, adjective tells the kind of noun as great, small, pretty, white, or brown. So what is an adjective? Adjective that tells the kind of noun. What type of noun is this? Okay, like great wall. Okay, so it's telling about a wall that is very great. Small boy is telling about a boy who is in small height. Okay. Pretty flower is telling about the prettiness of a flower. White board is telling about the color of the board. Brown cats it's also telling about the color of a cat. So first we learned about noun, then we have learned about adjectives. Moving to the next, three of these words we often see called articles a, an, and the. So a and the are the articles that we often use. Okay, we use a with consonant letters starting words, and with vowel starting letter words, and also with the word that has vowel sound, and the with the particular words. Okay, like the Qaidasm, the holy book, okay, a bag, a cake, an apple, an egg, an elephant, okay. So instead of noun, the pronouns stand. John's head, his face, my arm, your hand. So what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that used instead of noun. Okay. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that used instead of noun. Like John's head, his face, my arm, your hand. So his, my, your, all these are noun. Sorry, all these are pronoun that are being placed instead of noun. Okay, so we have learned about noun, adjectives, articles, pronoun. Now we are going to learn about verbs. Verb tell of something being done as read, write, spell, sing, jump, or run. Okay, so what is a verb? An action word is known as a verb. Verb is an action word. How things are done, the adverbs tell. Okay, we have learned about verb. Verb is an action word like jump, sleep, eat, write, read, each and everything. Okay. So the next is how things are done. The adverb tell, as slowly, quickly, ill, or well. They also tells where and when, as here and there, now and then. So what is an adverb? Adverbs tell about how the things are done, like slowly, quickly, ill, very well, where, when, here, there, now, and then. So these all are what? These all are adverbs. Okay? A preposition stand before a noun, in or through a door. So what is a preposition? That stand before a noun, okay? Like in, through, okay? In conjunction, sentences unite. Conjunction is known as connecting word, okay? As kittens scratch and puppies bite. So kittens scratch and puppies bite. So what is the word and is using over here as a conjunction, connecting word. It's connecting two of different animals that have done something, okay? Kittens scratch and puppies bite. Interjection shows surprise as oh, how pretty, how wise. Okay, student. So how many part of speech you have learned? We have learned about noun, adjective, articles, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions, and interjections. Okay? Have you understood all? Okay. Now moving to the next page. Read. Here is an exercise on book page number 104. It says, read the passage and write which part of speech are the word given below. You have to underline a noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, or a pronoun. Okay, here is the paragraph is given. What you have to do? You have to underline and you have to write which part of speech is this. Okay, over. Now brain. Brain is a noun. Write with me. Noun. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to underline first all the words that are being used as a noun, verb, adjective, adverb, and preposition, and also conjunction. And then you have to write over here. Like here, one example is given for you. Our is what? Pronoun. Okay. Our is used as a pronoun. Then you have to write what brain stand for. Which part of speech is this? Then you have to write which part of speech right is this, and supplies, makes, to, of, completely, believed, works, has, person, exactly, his, skilled, with, powerful. Okay, student. Now moving to the next page, that is page number 105. Here is an activity given. It's a revision activity. We have learned earlier about diminutives. Diminutives, do you know what is diminutive? Have you remembered? The young ones of animals is known as diminutives. Okay? So, you have to solve these puzzles. You have to find it by yourself. I have written already in the given spaces: cow, calf, dog, puppy, deer, cub, duck, duckling, eagle, eaglet, hen, chick, cat, kitten, mare, colt, horse, colt, owl, owlet. Okay, these are the diminutives of different animals. You have to find all in the puzzles, that box that is given over here, and then you have to solve it. Okay, few of them I have done for you, and rest of these you have to do it by yourself. Okay, student, take care, students. Allah Hafiz.